Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So I'm back with another HTXS file example. So today we will see how to force HTTP to HTTPS. So now let's get started with today's video. So you can see this is my index page and I'm having another about page as well. So that is displaying about page content. And if I'll write manually HTTPS, so then you can see this site can't be reached as I have not enabled HTTPS in my Apache server. But as of now, I am manually hitting that. But whenever any URL is coming to your website, how you can directly redirect to HTTPS, that we'll be seeing in this video. So that's my htaccess file. As of now, I have not written anything. So now let's write first rewrite engine on, and after that we will be writing rewrite condition directive, and after that we will be defining that if any http is coming, so that condition you need to check for that we will be passing percentage https, that should be off. And secondly, we will be using rewrite rule, which will be applied to any url hitting to our server. So here we will be taking like any url is coming, so for that we are writing this rejects like dot star, and then we will be writing https colon, that is our host name. So if you have any domain, that will be there, otherwise localhost I'm having as of now. Then it will be like request uri, whichever url they are requesting. And at last you can write square bracket l, that means end of line. Let's go and hit the url. So you can see directly now it's coming, this site can't be reached. And if I'll go to url, you can see https is there. Let me show you again also. So you can see now it's directly hitting https. So if you have enable ssl into your domain or website, then it will go to that url. I'm not having as of now enabled ssl in my local, so because of that this error is coming. So you can revert also. Let's say if https you are having and you want to run your project in local and you don't want to go for https, you want to go for http, then also you can do it. So for that, rewrite condition will be that https is on for you, and in your rewrite rule will be that it should go to http rather than https. That's the change. You can add redirect or 301 if you want to use that. 301 error is coming, then it should redirect. So that's all in this video. So I have created a very small video to cover small topics of htaccess file so that you can gain more knowledge. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.